Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosinophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for coming. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi usubscribe mangaba ukacofoza subscribe. Lokho kubaleke kakhulu ukuthi ukwenze ubuye njalo usize ngokulike i-video. Each and every video oyibukayo siyacela ukuthi ulike. Kubalekile kakhulu sidonsela abantu abaningi. Angithi algorithm izohamba yosibuthela abantu abaningi. Ngokulike kwakho uyasiza ukuthi sikhule nokubuka njalo ama-aids. You are contributing a lot ku channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for those who do so. It's a subscribe, it's a like button, it's a share button, ne notification bell yakho bese uyibuka nama advert. Khona nje lokho kumele usenzele khona free mahala free, okay? So ngiyabonga kakhulu guys, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngodaba lokho eDade uZimdola, udade wabo kaDade uZimdola. Ngibona kune stories akhe lapha kuthiwa ke ubengabonakali for insuku ezinhlanu zonke. Umndeni wagcina usukhathazekile you guys, engabonakali uNokuthokoza Biyela, ifoni yakhe ingasangeni after one day ukuthi ifoni yakhe ibingasangeni nokungena engasatholakali ke base kune story lapha ukuthi abakhulekile ke you guys bazizwa be relieved after watholakala ke esibhedlela. Ukuthi ufika kanjani esibhedlela na yonke into bathi abathandanga ukuthi bangakhuluma ngayo kwamanje, bafuna ukuconcentrate nje ukuthi bayofika esibhedlela bambone, and then okuningi sebezokubona after mhlambe bazoza update ukuthi azatholakala esibhedlela ufike kanjani, ngabe kuyingozi yemoto, ngabe mhlambe banje inkunzi o mhlambe like what happened, ngoba usesibhedlela that means akukho right, uphathekile ngoba umuntu osesibhedlela ngophathekile you guys. After bengabonakala wathola amaphoyisa esibhedlela, so umndeni sokumele ugijimele esibhedlela ke, kodwa ikhona kilunga lomndeni othe okuthi akathandanga ukuzazisa you guys, wathi hayi bajabulele nje ukuthi utholakele esibhedlela, kodwa kuningi ke sebezomhlawumbe bas update ukuthi kwenzekeni ke esesibhedlela nje, what really happened. Lona ke kuthiwa udade wabokazi aDade uZimdola osebenza lapha nokhosini siyamazi sonke, kuthiwa ke usiswa kuNokuthokoza Biyela. Into ikanjalo ngavele ngacabanga udaba lona lokasisi uZimdola namaphoyisa nababa ubheka icele ethi uZimdola hamba wayokhonkotha ukhosini. Yo ngavele kimi kuvele kwafika lolo daba, ngoba ngiyakhumbula usisi uZimdola lapha nesehamba namabodyguards ukuthi ufika lapha emsebenzini kaSBC egadiwe, ngoba hayi after that statement asenza ngamaphoyisa you guys, ubaba ubheka icele wazothi uyakhonkotha na yonke into, wayengasekho safe. Umndeni wami ekhasho ukuthi ugadiwe and all that. Ngase ngizibuza ukuthi we lesopho ke ukuka Nokuthokoza Biyela ke akumayelana nalokho. Khumbula kwaba khona amatekisi okwathiwa angazi kwathiwa ngabafowabo bakasisi uZimdola, kwathiwa naye mhlawumbe unama-shares lapho ba-ona amatekisi allegedly of course ayeshisiwe amatekisi lana amaningi you guys, kuthiwa avuke eshisiwe nje, uyazi eshile ngathi hayibo imoto ezingaka zashiswa nje kwangathi kuningi laphana you guys, ngathi hayibo bakithi umuntu angaza kushisela imoto ezingaka. Wesi uZimdola wayengasekho safe after le nkulumo yakhe yacasula ubaba ubheka icele. I think kwakube khona ukudubulana kwamaphoyisa nabanye obhuti abagcina sebeshonile, something like that. And then uZimdola she was kind of like saying amaphoyisa nelungelo yini lokuthi badubule babulale, noma mhlambe mina ngase ngithi kungenzeka phela kudutshulwana kanje mhlambe kudubuleke iphoyisa, sometimes kudubule kusigebengu, you know what I mean. So I think why dubulekile ngazi kwathiwa I think a family friend, something like a close family friend or just something along the lines. So ke ngathi wayengaphathekanga kahle lapha uZimdola ngaleyo nto, kwakuthiwa ke akuyena waqala kodwa eshona ke ngokubulawa ngamaphoyisa, and then wasekhuluma ngalokho ke emsakazweni, ekhuluma nje ukuthi kodwa ku right yini ukuthi kudutshulwane kanjani amaphoyisa adubule abulale, something like that. Kuthe nje emva kwaleyo drama leyo kwase kuba nephoyisa eladubulekayo, something like that. Kwathi kuba ubheka icele wa deliver speech kuleyo funeral yalo mphoyisa loyo, wasemention ukuthi kunalo okuthi uZimdola loyo ahambe emsakazweni ayokhonkotha lapha. If you do remember you guys, I did videos about that. So mangibona udaba kaNokuthokoza Biyela, I was like oh Nkosi, asethembe nje akumayelana namatekisi namaphoyisa na yonke into, ngoba kuthi utholakala esibhedlela. Asifunde lapha ngesingisi you guys. The family of Ukhozi FM presenter uZimiphi Zimdola Biyela, who have been in distress for over 5 days after her sister ke uNokuthokoza Biyela went missing. They are relieved after she was found. The family had opened a missing persons case, bese bevule ne case yomuntu onyamalele. Now a family member speaking on condition of anonymity uthena uNokuthokoza was found by the police on Thursday and is in the care of medical experts. She is currently in hospital getting treated. I cannot go into detail ilunga lomndeni leli lithi alifuni kwaziwa. But I cannot go into detail as to what happened, where she was found. We are also waiting for a full report from the family so we can also go and see her ngasesibhedlela, right? That was the family source. Balinde ukuthi umndeni wakabiyela usho sebezoya nabesibhedlela bayombona ke. Although they are uncertain about what to expect uma befika lapha esibhedlela, they are relieved ukuthi she is alive. We are just glad that she is alive. That is all what matters right now. We will deal with the rest later. The family discovered that she had been missing and her phone was off after a day. It was not like her to not report where she was going or to have her phone off. It was so not normal, right? But we started getting worried around the evening when we could not reach her. But on the second day, things just became really worse. Bingasatholakali nefoni ingasangeni seyicimile. You guys baqala ukwarisha bagcina sebevula ke icase yomuntu onyamalele. Now the family of the radio presenter has had some trying times in the past few years. Last year uZimdola's brothers 14 taxis were torched in Empangeni in November by unknown people who overpowered a security guard. In the same year, Uzimdola said she was fearing for her life after she accused the police in KwaZulu-Natal of being trigger happy live on radio after an alleged criminal was killed in a shootout with the police. Zimdola's family hired bodyguards for her shortly after she made that controversial comment, but former police Minister Obaba Bheki slammed Uzimdola for the comments she made about the police and blamed her for the officer's death. Why xeka uZimdola laphana ekufeni kwaleli boys babubhekicele ethi nje kungenxa abantu labafana noZimdola le ntombazana lokuthi uZimdola ehambe laphana eyokhosini ayokhonkotha uZimdola wayekhulube ngakho lokho ukuthi amaphoyisa adubula bulale abantu, right? So kuningi laphana guys kuthiwa kudade ke utholakele udadewabo kaZimdola kodwa usesibhedlela. I'm hoping ukuthi bazosizela neupdate ukuthi kuyenze njani azabe sesibhedlela nje ecashe for 5 days bekutheni khona bemthumbile noma mhlambe kube ingozi yemoto noma mhlambe banje inkunzi walimala angazi bafethu, kodwa ke kuthiwa after 1 day phone yakhe bingasakhali nokhala eseyicimile bagcina sebebewa worried bagcina beyovula icase, kodwa ke amaphoyisa amtholile esibhedlela. Ukuthi what happened, you am so curious kwamina bafethu. Let's hope kuzoba neupdate ukuthi kanti bekwenze njani into ezikanjalo. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ubuke video. I'm very sure ukuthi mangithola lolu daba ukuthi kwenzekeni ngonokuthokoza, I'll come back with an update for you. You know me, okay? Trust me, I'll definitely come with that update. Thank you so much for watching le video. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare futhi. Siphinde sibonane njalo kwenye elandelayo. Bye.